Understanding loss harvesting. Loss harvesting, also known as tax loss harvesting, is a strategic investment technique used by investors to minimize their tax liabilities. This approach involves selling securities at a loss to offset capital gains realized from other investments, thereby reducing the overall tax burden. In this document, we will explore the concept of loss harvesting, its benefits, and how it can be effectively implemented in an investment strategy. What is loss harvesting? Loss harvesting is the practice of selling an investment that has declined in value to realize a loss. This realized loss can then be used to offset capital gains from other investments, which can help lower an investor's taxable income. For example, if an investor has made a profit of $10,000 from selling one stock but has incurred a loss of $4,000 from another, they can use the loss to offset the gain, effectively reducing their taxable gain to $6,000. Benefits of loss harvesting. Tax efficiency. The primary benefit of loss harvesting is the potential to reduce tax liabilities. By offsetting gains with losses, investors can lower their taxable income, which can lead to significant tax savings. Portfolio rebalancing. Loss harvesting provides an opportunity to reassess and rebalance an investment portfolio. Selling underperforming assets allows investors to reinvest in more promising opportunities. Carry forward losses. If the losses exceed the gains in a given tax year, investors can carry forward the unused losses to future tax years, which can be applied against future capital gains. Psychological benefits. Realizing losses can help investors detach from emotional biases associated with holding on to losing investments, allowing for more rational decision making. Implementing loss harvesting. To effectively implement loss harvesting, investors should consider the following steps. Monitor investments. Regularly review the performance of your investments to identify potential candidates for loss harvesting. Sell underperforming assets. When an investment has declined in value, consider selling it to realize the loss. Reinvest wisely. After selling a security, reinvest the proceeds into a similar but not identical asset to avoid triggering the wash sale rule, which disallows the deduction of losses if the same or substantially identical security is repurchased within 30 days. Consult a tax professional. Given the complexities of tax laws, it is advisable to consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance and optimize tax strategies. Conclusion. Loss harvesting is a valuable strategy for investors looking to minimize their tax liabilities while optimizing their investment portfolios. By understanding the mechanics of loss harvesting and implementing it effectively, investors can enhance their overall financial performance. As with any investment strategy, it is essential to stay informed and seek professional guidance when necessary.